For the longest time, I pushed myself relentlessly to be perfect in absolutely everything I did. Every task I undertook, every interaction I had with others, every goal I set for myself had to meet some impossible standard.
Hey guys, 5 p.m. addressing you all right now because hopefully we can have a high-yield discussion today. Let's move on to the things that happened this week. Good things first, I went to the gym 5 times this week. I could have gone 6 days, but I fell sick, bad stomach, and I was drenched in the rain and I got sick. So that was one of the reasons I didn't go 6 times, but good progress, it's okay. And then I received a Laneige package and gifted by somebody, and it made my day. It actually kind of made my week because this week was little not that good, but we made it through. So that was that. And then coming to the negative points, I want to keep today very short. I don't know, I don't feel like doing anything. I'm still not feeling really well, but we persist. So coming to the negative points, we could only do 3 high discussion series that we do, me and my study partner, because either of us were falling sick and things were happening. So that happened. And then consistency was a little bit down regarding my academics. And I went to shopping, didn't find anything that I liked. Basically didn't find the thing that I wanted, so shopping day fail happened. Apart from that everything's been good. So yeah, hoping for a great week ahead starting tomorrow, and hope you guys have been doing well. Hope your guys' preparation is going well. Exams are very near and I'm a little bit stressed. I do want to also, okay, let me talk about it. I have been changing places in my home itself, studying here and there, because sitting in this one place has been so exhausting, and I wish I could go to a coffee shop or something to study. But then Indian parents, they won't get that you're going to a coffee shop to study. At this point, I wish I was in some foreign country. Maybe Bali. Oh my god, I'm manifesting, putting it out there in universe. Just a Bali trip. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm talking about it on camera. Okay. So yeah, that's it. I'll just keep my crazy dreams to myself and meet you next week के end में. Yeah, just that. Okay, bye bookies.